Hey guys, my name is Jonathan. This is my team, Farzad, and also Howard. We're part of Team Zipper, and this week we interviewed someone named Pat Norton. Pat Norton is the Senior Project Manager of OmniT Computer Consulting Inc. To really give us a really quick background of what we were looking for, our company upgrades RFIs. We create new technologies that can reduce the process of doing RFI by 25%. We wanted to find the workflow of how Pat Norton deal with RFIs. So on the next thing we're going to talk about some of the pain points that Pat went through with RFIs and what he wants to see from our platform.
All right. So some of his pain points was actually the most important one. Was they used when they answer to the RFIs, they answer to some questions that are actually repeating all the time. So he wanted to be able to kind of search and because they answered to the questions multiple times, so they wanted to have a database that they could store those answers, and then they use those answers for the next questions that it comes in the RFI. So it saves them a lot of time. And the other pain point was the collaboration with his other colleagues. So sometimes they have to send the questions to different people in HR department or different departments like engineering. So they have to get the answers. So it's kind of hard for them to get those answers on time because of that communication process that it takes a lot of time. And the other thing, the other pain point was they never get any comment from the RFI. So when they send out the RFI to the IT analyst or the customer, they never know why they lost and what was the problem with the answers, what features they lack, or something like that. So they would really love to get those information in the future, which something is we're going to provide.
Great. So we're going to provide a solution. What he's looking for is something that obviously speeds up the entire process, integrates all those RFIs into one platform so it's easy to find. All the information that they've previously filled out can be easily retrieved through like tagging, as Farzad mentioned. Obviously, he also wants to be able to have better feedback, better tools that allows the analyst to get back to them, either through instant notifications or through some kind of feedback report, for example, would be something that is very useful. But obviously, in the end, we're going to try to complete this as soon as we can, and he's definitely on board to see how the future that our product holds, and we look forward to completing it.
All right, so really quick for our next step. Obviously, with our platform, there's two sides of things. We have the customers and we have a vendor. Pat Norton is a vendor. Our next step is to go ahead and interview analysts next week so we can see the workflow of creating an RFI. So stay tuned for Zipper.
Hey.